Lawyers for several families victims of Sandy Hook School are criticizing the personal expenses. Alex Jones, who are seeking nearly $1.5 billion they won in lawsuits against InfoWars host Hartford Con. While Alex Jones continues tell InfoWars viewers about money troubles, implore them to buy products. Own credentials show life isn't all bad. Net worth is around $14 million and personal spending is at a peak of $93,000 in July alone, with thousands given food entertainment including $. The conspiracy theorist and his lawyers are filing monthly financial reports in his personal bankruptcy case, latest which has angered the families of victims Sandy Hook Elementary School. They are still seeking the $1.5 billion they won last year against Jones and his media company for repeatedly characterizing the 2012 as a hoax on their shows. It is troubling that Alex Jones continues to spend money on his excessive household expenses and lavish lifestyle while belonging to the families he tormented for years, said Christopher Mattei, the family's Connecticut attorney. Families are increasingly concerned and will continue to argue these issues in court. In lawsuit filed on August 29, the family's lawyers said that if Jones does not reduce his personal expenses a reasonable level, they will ask bankruptcy judge to restrain him from further squandering his estate assets and ask for someone else be appointed. May apply to the Board of Trustees to control its expenses or reject the bankruptcy case. On Tuesday on InfoWars, Jones said he did nothing wrong. Actually, I like to go to nice restaurants. I like to take a few nice holidays a year. But I think I've pretty much earned it in this fight, he said, urging viewers to donate towards his legal costs. Jones' spending in July included a $15,000 monthly payment to his wife, Erica Wolf Jones, up from about $75,000 in April. These payments were called Eulant transfers by lawyers for the Sandy Hook families. They're required under a prenuptial agreement, Jones says. Also that month, Jones spent $7,900 on housecleaning and more than $6,300 on food and entertainment. That doesn't include groceries, for a total of about $3,400, or about $850 a week. His second home, a lake house in Texas, cost about $6,700 that month, including maintenance, property taxes. Their vehicles and boats lost another $5,600, including insurance, maintenance, fuel. Sandy Hook families won nearly $1.5 billion in lawsuits against Jones last year for repeatedly pushing the false theory that killed 20 first graders and 6 educators in Newtown, Connecticut, never happened. Relatives of the victims testified that they were harassed and threatened by Jones' followers, even meeting face to face with grieving families and accusing them of being crisis actors whose children never existed. However, collecting the astronomical amount requires a long struggle. When Jones filed for bankruptcy, the family's efforts to collect the